Hey, good morning, Benjamin. I'm making this video for you so we can connect the two batteries together. You remember I told you yesterday to have been charging the new one? So hopefully you've done that. Now, so when you mount, so right now what you can see here is that I've mounted two of them. Okay, so these are two mounted. When you set both of them on your stand that you have there, you know, this cable, this bus bar has to be used exactly, you know, negative to negative. So set it up first that way. Everything is turned off as usual. Turn off everything as usual. And then set the first one. So the one that is, select whichever one you want, which would be number one, that goes to, as you can see, that goes to the breaker. Okay, so this is positive, this is negative, coming from, I'm going to go back up here, from battery number one, okay, battery number one, and to the breaker. And then from the breaker, double throw, DC, double throw, at least you can see there, hopefully 60 amp, okay, and then from your breaker to the inverter. All right, so I'm going to go back up again because this is set up in our lab. Then once you've done that, everything mechanically is set up. Excuse me. Then, excuse me. As you normally would turn the first one on, go ahead and do the same thing, just like you would normally turn it on. The second one, flip the first switch, the small one, to the on position as well while you're setting this up. Once you do that, it may automatically, oh, by the way, remember this cable, the small cable, goes from, there are two ports here. One is this empty one, and this other one says COM port. So you connect from the COM port to the second one, COM port, right here. Okay. Then you set the dip switch, the first one, to number one. Everything else is flipped low. The first one is flipped up. Then I'm going to the second one. The second one is, number two is switched on. Number one and the rest of them is switched off. Okay, so you set that first before you begin to activate and wake up the first battery. Okay, and also turn on the switch for the second battery. Once number one comes on, it may automatically activate number two. If it does not, then activate number two, okay, exactly the same way. Turn the first switch on, push this button, let it activate itself, and then flip the main switch. Now everything should sync on its own now. And that's basically all that you need to do for the setup.